Yo, what it do up to the world? Your boy up to the T. Today, Saturday, December 10th, 2016. I gotta go and be on my way. It's gonna be snowy later on. Supposedly, in the forecast, it says it's gonna be a lot of snow this whole weekend. So, your boy not even gonna go out. But look, as you can see, your boy's wolfing, and I can't. Gotta stay clean. Mondo, you know already how Mondo is. And yesterday I was gonna post up a video, but yesterday was the year anniversary of my father's passing. Of the day that the guy called them up, and but it was a real hard day for me, emotional. I was, off and on. I would just ball up and cry and stuff like that, but it comes with it. But today, like I said, you gotta take life the way whatever comes at you, get it and deal with it, and move on to the thing. I got my beautiful wife right here, ready to go. She's taking because obviously I get Erica in the city, so it ain't nowhere near. But y'all see it when I be coming up and I go over there. We'll keep it up. We'll keep it posted. But because my people, we'll see you soon, man. Yo, what up to the world? Look at, like I was saying earlier, thank God that I went and I got a haircut earlier today, because look at the way it is right now out here in Mount Prospect, Illinois. Look at that. It is falling and it ain't got nowhere near that it's gonna stop. So here we go.